Bench testing a 1957 Cadillac non-fog light option headlight switch, serial number LD01202023, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. Test number 4, circuit breaker test. Test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery, we have 12.67 volts for the run-up test. We're going to be boosting the battery. Under boost, we have 13.11 volts. Also, to monitor the rheostat temperature, right now we're at ambient at 74 degrees. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, we have the tail from parking and set the dash lights to mid-range. Off, back to first position, parking, tail, dash lights set to mid-range, and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, tail parking. Second position, front parking lights are off, headlights come on. Back to first position, headlights off, front parking, and off. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. First position, tail light parking, rotating the rheostat. We can go to full bright, back to mid-range, dim, to off. Back to dim, and we're up from ambient to around 84 degrees on the rheostat. Mid-range, full bright, back to first position, and off. Back to first position, mid-range, second position, dim, off, mid-range, full bright, and off. Test number 4, circuit breaker test. Telco Remy headlight switches had an onboard circuit breaker built into the switch. It's a bimetallic contact arm. In the event of overheating of the wiring or a fit or short in the vehicle wiring, the bimetallic arm will expand and break the circuit between the battery and the switch, protecting the switch and the wiring. Demonstrate that. We're just going to put this in first position. Simulate expansion of the contact arm. We see that the circuit from the battery to the switch is broken. Also in second position, simulate expansion of the arm due to overheating, breaks the circuit. Back to first position, simulate the overheating, and off. Test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12-volt test light, you see we have continuity from the switch body back to the battery. I'm going to probe each one of the switch terminals to demonstrate the switch terminals are insulated from ground. Continuity back to the battery. Panel light terminal, no continuity. Battery feed, no continuity. Headlight feed, no continuity. Tail light, no continuity. Parking lights, no continuity. Body feed, no continuity. Only continuity back to the battery we have is a switch chassis. Switch terminals are insulated from ground.